but it is folded up throughout the whole panel and it's actually pushed into the rear door. I'm gonna go ahead and take my new quarter panel and make my final cut.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have this CRV that I finished up yesterday, and I just realized I have to repair the hood. It just has some minor damage around this side. So I'm gonna straighten that out, get this fixed, and get it primed up, and then I'll send this one on over to our paint shop. I have a Toyota Corolla here. This one got smacked good in this back corner and completely folded up this quarter panel. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it is folded up throughout the whole panel and it's actually pushed into the rear door. So this one's going to get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. However, first I'm going to pull all of this damage out, get this rear door gap to open back up and get close to normal, as well as get the trunk lid gap to line up good. At least get it close before I start cutting it apart. Then I will get this quarter panel cut off and start fitting the new one up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my new quarter panel and make my final cut on this bottom area. They actually have a sectioning procedure. I could put it in right in here, or you could put the whole thing in, but I might as well put it in right there. And they have a measurement of 320 millimeters down from the center of this hole right here. So I'm going to mark that. All right, this top cut, I'm just putting it in right where it came at. I just cleaned it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit this panel on roughly, and it's going to overlap the car just slightly. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scribe it. Then I'll go ahead and lift this panel back off, and I'll trim that out the rest of the way on both cuts, and I'll have a perfect fit.